Let's solve for the value of x. You are welcome. We are going to introduce log to both sides of this equation. So log 8 to the power of x is equal to log 48. Now when you have log a to the power of b, this is equal to log a, this is equal to b multiplied by log a. Okay, this is equal to b multiplied by log a. So this will come down to give us x multiplied by log 8 is equal to log 48. Now to get the value of x, let's divide both sides of this equation by log 8. So we divide by log 8 and we divide by log 8. So log 8 we cancel log 8 and we have that x is equal to log 48 divided by log 8. Okay, now x is equal to log. Now 48 in terms of 8 is what? 6 times 8 is 48, right? So we can write 6 multiplied by 8 divided by log 8. Okay, then we continue. We have that x is equal to, when you have log a, sorry, you can't see there. When you have log a multiplied by b, okay, this is equal to log a plus log b. All right, so we are going to apply this here. Therefore, we can write this as log 6 plus log 8, everything divided by log 8. Okay, then we have that x is equal to log 6 divided by log 8 plus log 8 divided by log 8. Okay, now log 8 we cancel log 8. We have that x is equal to, let me write this first, log 8 divided by log 8 will give us 1. Okay, so it's going to be 1 plus log 6 divided by log 8. Okay, now I'd like you to watch to the end because we are going to substitute the value we got into the main equation to prove that it is correct. Okay, all right, now we write that x is equal to 1 plus, but log 6 can be written as log 2 multiplied by 3, okay, divided by log 8. So we have x is equal to 1 plus log 2 plus log 3, okay, because 2 multiplied by 3 is same thing as log 2 plus log 3, following this particular law. All right, okay, so we have that x is equal to, sorry, this is divided by log 8. So x is equal to 1 plus log 2 divided by log 8 plus log 3 divided by log 8. Okay, so we have that x is equal to 1 plus log 2 divided by, now log 8 can be written as log 2 to the power of 3, right? Log 2 to the power of 3 plus log 3 divided by log 2 to the power of 3. So we write that x is equal to 1 plus log 2. Now when you have log a to the power of b, okay, I think I've said that before, this is equal to b multiplied by log a. All right, so we can write this as 3 multiplied by log 2, 3 log 2, okay, plus log 3 divided by 3 log 2. Okay, all right, so we have that x is equal to 1 plus, this is 1 over 3 multiplied by log 2 divided by log 2, okay, plus 1 over 3 multiplied by log 3 divided by log 2. So x is equal to 1 plus This we divide this and we have 1. So we have 1 over 3 remaining plus 1 over 3 multiplied by log 3 divided by log 2. Okay. Now we have x is equal to 1 is same thing as 3 divided by 3, right? Plus 1 over 3 because I want them to have the same denominator so that I can easily solve them. Plus 1 over 3 log 3 divided by log 2. So x is equal to, since they have the same denominator, they can share it, right? Now 3 plus 1 will give us 4. So we have 4 over 3 plus 1 over 3 log 3 divided by log 2. Okay. Now, when you have log A divided by log B, this is equal to log A base B. All right. So that means that, let's continue from here. That means that, permit me to draw this line. All right. So that simply means that this is what we have now. We have x is equal to 4 divided by 3 plus 1 over 3 log 3 divided by log 2. Okay, so we have x is equal to 4 over 3 plus 1 over 3 log 3 base 2 based on the law I just explained. And this is the value of our x. Now to the most interesting aspect of this video, let's prove that the answer is right. So this is the question, that 8 to the power of x is equal to 48, right? So let's prove that. Now let's check that 8 to the power of x is equal to 48. Now this is our x. Okay, so I'm going to copy that. 8 to the power of 4 over 3 plus 1 over 3 log 3 base 2 is equal to 48. I forgot that. All right, so when you have a to the power of m plus n, okay, this is equal to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. Therefore, we can write this as what? 8 to the power of 4 over 3 multiplied by 8 to the power of 1 over 3 log 3 base 2. And this is equal to 48. Okay? All right. Now we have 8 to the power of 4 over 3 multiplied by, this 8 can be written as 2 to the power of 3, right? Raised to the power of 1 over 3 log 3 base 2 is equal to 48. Now when you have a to the power of m over n, all right, this is equal to nth root of a raised to the power of m. Okay, so that means that this is the same thing as the cube root of what? 8 raised to the power of 4. All right, now multiplied by, when you have two numerators or two powers, sorry, when you have two powers, they multiply each other, right? So this, we cancel this. We have 2 to the power 2 log 3 2. 2 log 3 base 2, sorry, is equal to what? 48. Now cube root of 8 will give us 2. So what we have here is 2 to the power of 4, right? So we have 2 to the power of 4 multiplied by, now when you have a to the power of log b base a, once this base and this base are equal or are the same, this is equal to b. So when you come here, you can see that we have the same base here and here. So this is equal to 3 is equal to 48. Okay, now 2 to the power of 4 is 16, right? So we have 16 multiplied by 3 is equal to 48. 3 times 6 is 18, right? 8 carry 1. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4 is equal to 48. So you can see that the answer is right. Please give us a thumbs up if you actually enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe if this is the first time you're coming or you are tuning in, and on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on our amazing videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.